Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of coding and software development by learning how to install Visual Studio Code, also known as Versus Code. This is a free and incredibly powerful code editor that is used by both beginners and professional developers around the globe. If you're looking to write any kind of code, this is a tool you'll definitely want in your toolbox. What is Versus Code? So what exactly makes Versus Code so popular? It's essentially a specialized text editor, but it is designed specifically for writing, editing, and managing source code. Unlike a basic text editor, VS Code has advanced features that make coding much easier and more efficient. It supports a wide variety of programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Java, C++, and many others. It's also highly customizable, with a ton of extensions that can add extra functionality and tools. In short, it's a versatile tool that will grow with you as your coding skills improve. Alright, let's get started with the installation process. The first step is to download the installer from the official website, which is code.visualstudio.com. Once you're on the website, you will see big blue download buttons for different operating systems such as Windows, macOS, and Linux. Select the button that corresponds to your operating system. The website will detect your OS. However, double-check that the correct OS is selected. Once you click on the download button, your browser will start downloading the Versus Code installer file. After the installer has finished downloading, locate the file, which should be in your Downloads folder, and open it. This will start the installation wizard. The first thing you'll see is a license agreement. Read through it, then click I agree. The next screen will ask you where you want to install Versus Code. Unless you have a very good reason, it is best to use the default location. Then, you will have an important step. Make sure to select the option to Add to Path. This option is crucial because it allows you to open Versus Code from your command line or terminal, which is very useful when you want to run your code, or use other tools that rely on Versus Code being available in your system's path. After that, you can keep all the other options as they are and just click Next through them. Once the installation process is completed, click on Finish and VS Code will launch. The first time you open Versus Code, you'll see a welcome screen with some tips and shortcuts, which will be very useful. You can also choose your theme according to your preferences. Also, you can open a new file from the File menu, or open an existing project folder using the Open Folder option. Take some time to explore the interface. You'll see a toolbar on the left with different options, like Explorer, Search, or the Extensions menu. Now that you have Alay Mashal Versus Code installed, let's talk about the power of extensions. Extensions are like add-ons that enhance Versus Code's functionality. To access them, click on the extensions icon on the left toolbar. Here you can search for a vast library of extensions. For instance, if you are writing JavaScript code, you might want to install ESLint, an extension that helps you identify and fix problems in your code. Or prettier, to make sure your code looks consistently formatted. Or specific extensions for Vue.js, Python, or whatever languages you want to use. Just type the name of an extension you want to install in the search bar, and then click the Install button. And that's it. You have successfully installed Visual Studio Code and have learned the basics on how to customize it. You are now ready to start coding. I recommend exploring the many options that the app offers to help you improve your code writing. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding, everyone!